For Best Actor Marathi is Dilip Prabhavalkar for Dasaka.
Thank you, Inka. Thank you, Producer Steve. Thank you very much. Before doing this role in Dashavatar, multiple roles in Dashavatar, I thought Mahatma Gandhi Lagero Munnabe, which I had done, was my most difficult and challenging role. No, this was much tougher, much difficult. आणि त्यासाठी मी आमचे लेखक दिग्दर्शक सोबत खानोलकर, प्रोड्युसर्स सुजय हांडे आणि ओमकार काटे यांचे आभार मानतो. ओशन फिल्म्स, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू.
Congratulations, sir. Such an incredible performance.